Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As a person new to PEGA, the best place to start is with the System Architect Essentials 7.2 course. You can access this course on PEGA Academy and select my self-study course library. Let me know if you have additional questions.
Let's help you make your mark.
It is entirely model-driven, which facilitates the growth of scalable and robust applications which doesn't require any code like SQL, Java, CSS, HTML. PEGA PRPC comes with two distinct entities, Process Commander, courses of pre-configured rules that present a basis to perform customization and development.
Take our lead.
The PEGA software training cost will be somewhere between 14,000 to 23,000 Indian rupees. It varies from PEGA Training Institute to institute. There are different modules in PEGA and the cost depends on the module you choose and on the trainer's profile, and services and support they provides.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.